everybody, my name is Car. Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the finale because I'm freaking recording it for a super long time. Anyway, in the last episode, I basically freaking just bragged about how good I was, then freaking died a bunch of times and showed how bad I was, and then ended the video in midway battle because I'm dumb like that. So yeah. So now we're gonna go, and like, I took them all down because freaking this time I wasn't screaming, I was just focusing on winning. So now we gotta unlock this trespasser. So let's go, guys. Oh, this looks hard. I'm not even gonna trip on it because this looks straight up hard. No, gosh darn it. Or maybe it's not that hard. Hey. Ha. Dude, this might be actually... Oh! That's hecka messed up. Alright, maybe this is gonna be super easy. Oh, that was hecka easy!
Got it.
What?
Looks like the gravity stabilizer is inside the ship's core.
Warning, unauthorized hologuise use detected.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Looks like the holo guys won't fool them anymore.
Dude, that was way too easy for some reason. Oh, why do I have to go all the way that way? That's gonna take a while. There's some cards over there too, but... Oh, I missed some stuff too. I'll get all that stuff later. Let's go, guys. So... Oh, okay. Oh, alright, whatever. I'll upgrade a weapon. I'll upgrade my... What's the least upgraded? My Zircon Jr. I'll upgrade that. I'm out. Oh, apparently we're just fighting now. Alright. It is taking. You know what I don't... Did we like shut down? Oh, actually, forget it. Alright, so. Oh, wait, I just got some more stuff. Wait. I want to go upgrade. I want to go upgrade Zircon Jr. real quick. There we go, I wanted to do that real quick. Oh, why do I have my buzz blades? What? Oh, get out of there. Get out of there. Oh, why did I do this? Why did I do this? Oh God. How is that? It's not possible. I don't think I'm supposed to go though. I don't think I'm supposed to go that way. And what way am I supposed to go? I wonder. Alright, I'm gonna go this way then. Better than nothing. Oh, dude. What? That's not possible. That's like meant for you to go one way. I can't go through any of these doors, so that's a thing. Which way am I supposed to go then?
Polaris, we're headed to the gravity stabilizer now.
Be careful, guys. Good luck.
Ooh, why did I switch my weapon? First on, go outside on Jimmy. and go on out my super box. I'm out. Are you serious? Take one of those. Goodbye. That took a long shot. Oh! I didn't even see this! Well, don't I feel dumb? Don't I feel dumb? I feel so dumb. See, no, I gotta like go fast. This is gonna take forever.
Attention all personnel. Please note that we are now on a communications blackout until we have completed demonetization.
It takes forever.
No calls, texts, or holo messages until further notice.
Gosh. Boop. 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 Why did I think that would be a good thing? Here, go Glove of Doom. Go Glove of Doom. I have 4 Warmongers. Here, how about everyone just, you know, dances, you know? Take a Groove Bomb. Okay, then take a Proton Drum. Alright. And then take another Zircon. And then take some Pixelizer. What is not max level? Level 5, level 5, level 5, level 5. Level 4, 5. Level 5 is max level, so the thing that's the least level is my Buzzblade. I need to use it. Alright, take this, people. I hope you like Buzzblades, even though these things probably literally do like no damage. Oh, okay, I need some help. Please help. Okay, and then, please help. And then, please. Everyone dance, alright, and then take a Proton Drum, alright, and then, only then, can use the Buzzblade. And then you just do it really wildly. Oh, okay, that was the Proton Drum. I thought that was the Buzzblade. Let's go! As soon as I said it, it happened. Where are you guys? I need you guys, alright? Oh, you guys are level 5. I need to stop using you. I need to start using... what? You.
I detect more Blarg in the area.
Alright. Alright, people, let's move on to the call. Oh, God! No! I just noticed them. I didn't notice them. I was doing something.
Here comes some more Blarg.
Oh, alright. I was about to say, if they made me redo all of that, I was about to be mad. Oh, here, you guys want to dance? Have you guys ever danced before? Thank you. Oh yeah, you guys like to dance, don't you? Oh, have you ever danced before, my dude? Oh, did you die? Oh my God, alright, you know, goodbye. Yeah, you know, just get them all out there. Okay. Let's just make it a fest of explosions. Goodbye. Hope you all have happy travels. Alright, time to go freaking Fortnite sniper mode. What is my health? Oh. I'm out of ammo, god dang it. You know what? Fight fire with fire.
We need some nanotech.
Oh, nanotech? You asked? Well, there's some nanotech for you. All right. There's some ammo for you. All right. Then there's a bad guy to fight for you. Okay. Then you got fire. 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 Take that. Fire. Fire. Help. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead? What is that? Why am I dead? Why am I dead? Why am I dead, my dude? Why am I dead? Alright, let's go up against... Like that. Boop! Boop! There you go. That's the last of mine. Oh, warmongers! Thank you. I'll blow you up with that. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Oh, I'm out. Okay. Here, have some of my Tasmanian devils. And a proton drum. And everyone loves the dance party. And how about you get turned into pixels like Minecraft? And cool. And not to mention, let's have some, just a regular standard gun. Alright. And then, not to mention, let's just have some freaking striker mode from Fortnite. Okay, then we gotta have bombs, grenades, and all that stuff, you know. Everything's better with explosives. And then some fire. Gotta have some fire too. And, oh. Gosh darn it. Alright, you know what? You gotta get out with that. Is there like a thing I can just replenish my freaking ammo? Ooh, thank you. I have no idea where that leads, but alright. Cool. I'll take that. Thank you very much, good sir. And there's a bunch of locked passages for some reason. Hey guys, why don't you go out there and, you know, go wild. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we're gonna have a bunch of people dancing to some music. One over there, one over there. Alright. Okay, then we gotta need more ammo. So, that's the thing. Okay. And then... Oh, you trying to fight? I will blow you up. I will blow you up. You will die. You will die as a robot. Oh, I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out. Move! No! I knew where the nanotech was too. Alright, I need to go into this stealthy approach. No, I don't. Boop. 1. Boop. 2. Where'd that go? Boop. 2. Okay, then I gotta use my scissors. Okay, then I just gotta use these guys. 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, save that. And I'm gonna just snipe you guys like Fortnite. Come on, bro, really? Oh. You dead. You dead. You dead too. Anyone else around? Oh. Oh, I'm out, bruh. I'm out. Are you serious right now? Okay, how about this? Let's go wild. Okay. I'm gonna put some bombs at you. Probably gonna like pressure.
Can't give up now. Let's get him, pal.
Alright, cool. I'm out, so. Guys, let's kill him. That's not affecting me. Oh, there's a barrier. Alright. There's a barrier so they can't kill me. Oh, what? Oh, they're dead. Alright, cool. I'll take that. Thank you. Thank you very much, everybody. Oh, you guys can't get by your own force field. That's cute. It's really not. Too bad. Well, here, how about this? I'll let down the force field for you. First, let me get all the stuff I need. Okay. And I'll be happy to let the force field down.
Attention all personnel. A memorial for Victor Von Ion has been set up in the Deck 7 utility closet. Come and pay your respects to a fallen member of the team. 5 bolts at the door.
Oh, apparently I'm almost out of ammo, and that thing up there is a warship. Oh, and apparently I'm about to die, so. I did not expect there to be a warship. Okay, and there's no thing in here. The only one is all the way back there, and I'm not going all the way back there. Okay, which means I'm kind of like almost screwed in a sense. Alright, I got this. What do I have ammo in? Glove. Alright, let's do the glove real quick. Okay, that thing will go and kill the guys on the ground. Just for me. Is that turret? Oh, I need that turret. Alright, first. Go, you guys. Another one. Okay, then I'm gonna get this Groovatron, because I want them to be distracted while I try to get up on that turret. Groovatron. Alright, come on. Yes. Alright. You know what, I'm just gonna wait for them. What the? Alright, so let's put another Groover bomb. Oh, it's a bomb too. There. Can I break that? It goes. Bruh, can like you guys like come over here? Bruh. Come.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
That thing won't get out the way. That thing's not breakable. Oh, it is breakable. You guys are dead. You're dead. You're so unlucky that I was able to break that. Because if I wasn't able to break that, I would have had to come to you and you guys probably would have killed me. Is that everyone? No, it's not everyone. Alright, so let's just... I'm gonna take out my Zircon Junior. Okay, then we're gonna have a Pixelite. We're gonna have a Proton Drum over there. I haven't used many of these in a while. Oh, come on, why won't you guys just die? Bye. Boom! I'm out.
Mr. Zircon is born.
Oh, come on. That was so close to killing you. And you're dead now. Let's go, people. Get ammo. Oh, who's here? God dang it. Oh! Yeah, take that. You're a heck of dumb. Okay. kill all of you. Don't tell me to. No! Oh, come on. Come on, I can make it. 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 Go! Go! Whoosh! Alright, let me upgrade my weapons real quick. Alright, there you go. Get out of there! Get out of there, 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 get out of there. Oh, get in. Get over there. Hey guys. I don't have to use my ammo to kill you. Or you.
We're all clear, guys. You head for the gravity stabilizer?
Wait, I'm gonna have to get these cards real quick. Boop. Oh, Mr. Zircon complete. Alright, that's cool. Zircon Jr., Mr. Zircon, Zircon family. Oh, that's beautiful. I have 8 duplicates. Alright, what should I spend it on? Alright, let's see what I don't have of sets. Alright, here's Velden. Done. Not done. Or that's done. Not done, I mean done. Alright, I'm gonna finish this one real quick. Yep. Alright, so that means there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, pretty sure there's about like 9, 10 more I have to complete. Plus the other one, so.
Out here. Careful in there, you two.
Ooh, options. New card, bro. Sheepinator. Do I not have that one? Is that a new card? Let me see. Where is the Sheepinator? Where's the Sheepinator? Did I not have that card? Oh, I guess it's a new set now. Yay.
Not to die. Thanks for the encouragement, Brax.
Haha, dude, that's not the bad. I'll try, my dude. Teleport to hangar. Why would I teleport to hangar? I'm gonna do whatever I need to do with the gravity destabilizer thingamajiggy. Alright, just a warning, there's probably gonna be a cutscene, it's probably gonna skip it, but still, I'll tell you about it. I hope it doesn't skip it. It's gonna be like the final cutscene. Oh, there is no cutscene. Alright. I could have swore there'd be a cutscene.
Rangers, come in. We're
probably will
inside
be
the
a
core
cutscene.
and heading down to the gravity stabilizer's location. We should have it disabled soon.
Where's the final boss?
Ratchet. The mag boosters are ready and we're in position. Just let us know when.
You got it.
I'm not looking forward to the final boss. I'm just gonna say that right now. I'm not looking forward to it at all. And there's always gotta be a trespasser for everything. Alright, this should be pretty easy. Aw, man. Couldn't let me have that one, could you? Kidding me. Just let me have this one. Thank you! Let's go, that was pretty easy. Dude, that one, a few like... Oh, Captain Qwark is the final boss. Alright, you guys have no idea what happened to you. Now I gotta explain it to you. God dang it. Alright, so first of all, like I was... Whoa. I hope he's the final boss. I'm trying to think of what I was gonna say. Oh! Gosh dang, I need to keep an eye on him. Whatchamacallit? So... Yeah, I knew there was gonna be a cutscene, but I got a trophy. The Safecracker trophy, which probably means that Ask the Last Trespasser. So, that's a celebration. And number 2, yeah, the cutscene cut, so... Basically, Ratchet got the thing out, the gravity destabilizer, right? But then, he was being careless, and Alaris was like, oh, you gotta be careful with it because it's highly nuclear, so he was throwing it around, and then he lost it down, like, underneath us or something. Somewhere down there. Anyway, And then all the Borg were panicking, and then Captain Qwark just showed up out of nowhere, and he's like, "Greetings, cadet." And yeah, now we gotta fight him. All right, let's go. Hey man, you like to dance? I hope you do. Boop. Okay, where's your weakness? Your shoulder?
Have to do this. Just looking out for what's best for the galaxy.
Oh. Oh, get out of there! Get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. Alright, I want to like take him out anyway, so let's just get rid of all my plasma strikers. That's an easy hit! That's an easy hit! Oh! Oh, I'm so close to dying. One more shot. Take the last shot. Woo! Alright. Let's get the warmonger. Oh wait, no, we need to dance. Here, I know how much you like to dance, Captain Qwark. And let me take out my buddies, alright? Then we're gonna use a proton drum on you, alright? And then we're gonna use a freaking bunch of grenades. Grenade bomb you!
Captain, you have to stop. Dr. Nefarious is trying to destroy the system.
Oh, did he make me dance?
I'm done talking to you. You ruined my life.
Jump!
I totally got you at that one. I'm the hero in this galaxy. Me. You're just some small furry.
I didn't know he could use my own moves against me. What? Dude, can I please stop dancing? No, I actually want to stop dancing.
Ratchet, you must hit the Groovatron with your wrench.
Say hello to my little friend, the warmonger.
Oh, really? Say hello to my little friend, the warmonger. Oh, 5. Upon exploding, warheads will release a flurry of terminal mini rockets. Alright, so apparently you want to copy my moveset. Okay, so I'm gonna have to blow you up and kill you. Oh, is there like nanotech somewhere, please? Please tell me, please tell me.
The biggest villains in the galaxy.
I'm in too deep now. I just have to.
Oh, that's so unfair! No! Oh, it was so unfair. How was I supposed to get in the air and not have to deal with this again?
I didn't even feel it. That was just me lulling you into a false sense of security.
Here, have dance some more. Let's just dance some more.
Get ready. Have a Groovatron on me.
Captain, you have to stop. Dr. Nefarious is trying to destroy the system.
I'm done talking to you. You ruined my life. Say hello, my little
Oh, warmonger. You're not the only one who has a warmonger, you know that?
Oh, you must be proud of yourself. Shooting a hero when his eyes are closed.
Alright, sorry guys, my mic came out, so I had to freaking stop it again. Alright, people, let's go. Oh, he's at less than half health. This isn't that much of a boss, though. All right, let's make ourselves
Myself, you're working with the biggest villains in the galaxy.
I'm in too deep now. I just have to destroy you and get through this so the people of Solana can love me again. Agents of Doom, attack!
Oh, really? Oh, that's how you want to play it? All right, let's play it like that. Agents of Doom, you attack. Agents of Doom.
That's how a real hero does that.
But I have to say, I like an enemy that uses your own weapons against you. Oh, no! No! No, 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 no. We're not doing that, man. I don't know what game you think we're playing, but we're not doing that game. Okay, we're not doing that game in the slightest.
Hey, not the face! The moneymaker!
Come on. Come on. Hit him right in the glutton.
I'll help everyone find
No! I'm so close! No!
and I'll be a hero!
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Dude, I'm so close to dying. I'm so close to dying. No, it's not fair. Oh my god. Oh, wait, what? I wasn't paying attention. Take a Groova Bomb. Okay. Then we're gonna have Mr. Zircon out. And we're gonna have you guys out. Sprays you with bombs. I can't, oh. I freaking.
On me!
Captain, you have to stop. Dr. Nefarious is trying to destroy the system.
I'm done talking to you. You ruined my life. Say hello, my little friend, a warmonger.
The worm. Alright, they're not gonna hit me, so I'm good.
Let's make it rain.
Come on, it's time we end this.
Look at yourself. You're working with the biggest villains in the galaxy.
I'm in too deep now. I just have to destroy you and get through this so the people of Solana can love me again. Agents of Doom, attack!
I need a Groova Bomb. I mean, there's some more Zircons. Zircons.
It looks like it's done.
Alright, so. Let me take my Warmonger out. I don't have any Groova Bomb. Oh, I do. Take a Groova Bomb.
Mr. Zircon.
Oh, I'm so close to winning. No, you guys can't just leave me. That's not how this game works.
After I destroy you, I'll help everyone find
No, I wasted my ammo.
better home.
No, I'm so close to winning.
Galaxy ain't gonna reward that kind of stupidity.
Land. Boom! He has literally 4% health. Give me like one grenade or something and it's game over. Oh my god, alright, so another blocked scene. For some reason, it won't stop skipping these, but anyway, so basically, we beat Qwark, he had a change of heart, okay, and he named us the leaders of the Galactic Rangers. What the? Oh, I have no idea what happened. Anyway, and then Nefarious came and Qwark managed to stop Nefarious for a few seconds, and then Nefarious finally shot the weapon. Too late.
Ratchet, you have to stop him. If that star explodes, Umbrus will go with it. And then us.
Alright, so then now the fairies got into a giant thing. No, alright. Got into a giant thing. A giant robot machine, and he's trying to do something, get to a star or something. So I'm pretty sure he's the final boss. So. No! I hate railings! Why would they add the railings to the final boss?
But I have a dwarf star to destroy!
Dolores, we've got a problem. Nefarious has lost it. He's gonna destroy the star.
Ratchet, you have to stop him. If that star explodes, Umbrus will go with it. And then us.
You can't catch me! You should have seen the look on Brick's face.
No! Bro, I hate it because I'll sit there and I'll push it to the right and it won't go to the right. Alright, so I'll have to like lean into like this. Alright, that's how you do it. Alright. I'm trying to push them at the same time. That's probably what my problem is.
If that star explodes, Umbrus will
Like
go with
that.
it.
There we go.
And then us.
You can't
Woo.
catch me!
Can't catch me. No, I'm about to catch you, so. No! Oh, I pushed to the right too early and I died. God.
I'd love to stay in shadow, but I have a dwarf star to destroy!
Oh, wait, I forgot what button to press. Oh. Dude, my mind went blank for a second and I forgot what button to press.
Love to stay in
God
shadow,
dang it.
but I
Gosh
have a
darn
dwarf
it.
star to
Stupid brain. Why would you freaking go blank? Brain dead.
Nefarious has lost it. He's gonna destroy the star.
Ratchet, you have
Whoa.
to stop him. If that star explodes, Umbrus will go with it.
Whoop.
And then us.
Whoop de woo. Oh, you saw that? Big quick. You can't catch me. You know what? I'm about to catch you. So.
You should have seen the look on Brick's face. I played that role
I did,
like a
guys.
Valiant piano. Then turned the...
Wait, what? Wait, what?
I'd love to
What was I
stay,
supposed to do there?
but I have a dwarf star to destroy!
Destroy.
Dolores, we've got a problem.
As if I didn't know that the fifth time. No! No! What? Oh, I pressed the wrong stupid freaking controller. God dang it, this is why I hate railings. I'm probably gonna be here 100 times. To destroy. What? Oh, I keep pressing the wrong button. What is up with this? Freaking so dumb.
I'd love to stay in shadow.
But I have a dwarf star to destroy. Yeah, I heard it for like the fifth time. Alright. No, it's the wrong button. No! Oh god! Dude, I keep thinking it's triangle, but it's actually like, it's circle. That's why freaking my menu thing keeps coming up. Oh god. There we go, circle. Alright, and then I gotta lean to the right, boom. Alright, and I gotta lean to the right. Oh, and I gotta lean to the right again! I didn't see that! Oh, I almost pushed triangle there for a second. Dude, I'm so scared. I haven't gotten this far, so I just gotta keep this up. No, circle! I didn't see it! I didn't see it! You can't just hide it from me, you little son of a gun. Oh, I made it! Let's go! Oh, I have to fight him in midair while I'm jetpacking, don't I?
What's your hurry? I thought you wanted to be a hero. I can end your pathetic lives and still have plenty of time to evacuate the station. I'll have a perfect view of the destruction! Beautiful, isn't it? Artificial supernovas. I had the idea while I was rotting in jail. What better way to exact revenge on the Galactic Rangers than to destroy the entire system?
How do I like
There,
fly? Oh,
watch.
it's R1. Alright guys, let's go.
Have you seen my proton splitter yet? Allow me to give you a personal demonstration. Inner Zircon is here.
You don't have a weak spot?
Think that was
That does 1 damage to you, really. Alright, dodge it, dodge it, dodge it.
You should have seen the look on Rick's face when I turned him into a sheep. That I'm gonna carve you into.
Oh, wait, what? Oh, I need nanotech. Oh, I need nanotech. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Wait, what? What is this? Help me! No! That's just great.
Beautiful, isn't it? Artificial supernovas. I had the idea while I was rotting in jail. What better way to examine?
Alright, so you know what? I gotta be so careful. I wanna get this done as fast as I can.
Destroy the entire system on their watch.
You thought.
This changes nothing. I'm still winning. Have you seen my proton splitter yet? Allow me to give you a personal demonstration.
Oh! Goodbye. I don't wanna do it to you.
Waited for this day.
I'm out. Oh! I'm out!
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Kill them then! Go, Mr. Nope! I'm not gonna be hit by that. Last time I got hit by that, I freaking died badly. I need some nanotech, bro.
I'm gonna really enjoy killing you.
No! 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 Don't you think about it, alright?
Mr. Zircon.
Oh! Oh! I keep getting pieces of nanotech! Oh, no, it's ammo.
That was a lucky shot. Oh, this isn't possible. I can't be losing to you. Time to recharge.
Stop regaining health! Stop regaining health! Stop it! Stop it! No! You're not allowed to regain health, alright? You're not allowed to regain health! Oh, what? I hate this boss. This boss sucks. This boss sucks. Freaking no.
Artificial supernova. I had the idea while I was rotting in jail.
I had the idea while I was rotting in jail. You know what? No one cares, do they? No. The answer is no. So go die. Go die in a hole.
Watch.
What are you doing? No. No. No.
Thought you were winning. Now,
No. Stop.
the real
Killing
fight
yourself.
begins.
Stop killing yourself. Stop killing yourself. Stop killing yourself. Stop killing yourself. Oh, get out of the way! No! What? How are you supposed to avoid that?
Beautiful, isn't it? Artificial supernovas.
Yeah, so, you know, can I
I
just
had the
say-
idea while I was rotting in jail.
I had the idea while I was rotting in
Better way to
jail.
exact revenge on the Galactic Rangers. Destroying the entire system on their watch.
Yeah, I'm on the other side. Hey, mate.
Oh, this isn't possible. I can't be losing to you. I cannot be defeated.
Alright, go. Go. Oh, you missed.
Moron, you think that will stop me?
I'm out. Hurry up, guys. Hurry up. Go.
Let's make this interesting.
Oh. I didn't refuel. What? Oh, I see it. There's another refuel station. I have to go kill those guys for it. Oh, there's other nanotech too. This is really fun. Alright, so I'm just gonna turn you guys into sheep because I don't want to deal with you right now. Thank you.
Allow me to give you a personal demonstration.
Sheep. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Still out of warmongers. But whatever. Alright, then I'm gonna need myself this baby. No, this baby. Alright. And then you go like this.
Mr. Zircon delivers a symphony of pain.
Oh, get out of there! Get out of there! Get out of there! What? Don't tell me I have to restart from the beginning. No, you son of a... Alright, let's just get this over with. I was rotting in jail. Yeah, ha ha ha. Alright, well, you know what? If you think I'm gonna let you charge, then you're really wrong. What? Oh, no! Oh, that was so close!
Where's the reset button?
Alright. Oh, wait, no. Use things like the proton drum, and then use, the pixel. Save, like, the far distance guns for later. Oh! Goodbye! Alright, and then I want to get the sheepinator out. Do I still have warmongers? I do. Alright. I'm gonna turn these guys into sheep. Just because I don't want to have to waste my time with them.
Allow me to give you a personal demonstration.
Alright.
Better find some nanotech.
Get nanotech. Alright. Wait, no. Oh, wait.
Carve you in two.
Alright, and I gotta get this thing. Oh god, that almost hit me. Alright, now I use the bombs, right? Right, yeah, now I use the bombs.
Mr. Zircon is here.
Think that will stop me?
Okay, Mr. Zircon is bored with furball.
Oh, okay. Rocket Striker. Come on, let's win. You're not even up to 50% health yet. I'm out. Alright, so, no, it's a waste of a warmonger. What is wrong with you? Alright, What?
Beautiful,
Dude,
isn't it?
I don't got enough time to fight you. So, you know what? I'm just gonna make this into a 2-part boss battle. Okay? So, thank you all so much for watching. And I'll see you all in the next part where we finally end this. This was literally an hour long. Oh my god, I didn't even get to do the boss battle. Or I didn't get to finish the boss battle. So, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next part, which I'll probably record right after this. So, goodbye.